Okay, so here's the one I had on the car. Here's the new one. The new one's not modified. This one I modified. I can give you a template, but that's not really worth it. Really, just line your hole up. Follow that line straight up and drill a new hole. So that's all I'm going to do is follow that line up, drill a new hole right there, move the bracket over, crimp this, we're ready to rock and roll. Use the spacer kit. And then these are B6 S4 rear rotors. And just get some of those and you're off and running. So now I got the extra hole in there. That's originally where it's at. And then you just gotta pull the lever back some and line her up. It's hard to do with one hand, but it lines up. But the only issue that really happens is right here. The bracket never hits the screw, which is hard to put in, but you can put the bolt in first. This boot collapses far enough, and then tighten it, or leave this off, and then put the bolt in, and then put this bracket on. Either way works. That's it. That's all you need to do. One hole. Okay, now with everything installed, the clip still fits. I crimp that so that fits, and then you got your custom hole, and that works, and everything fits. On to the next one.